The Wonder Walker SWW-1000 stands out for its incredibly compact design, folding to a size 4 times smaller than the average walker, making it perfect for those with limited storage space. Weighing only 8 pounds, this walker is exceptionally lightweight yet robust, capable of supporting up to 400 pounds, ensuring ease of transport and reliable support. One of the most user-friendly aspects of this walker is its no assembly required feature, allowing users to start using it straight out of the box, with adjustable padded handles for custom comfort. The fixed front wheels of this walker offer excellent stability, while the rear ski glides ensure smooth movement on various surfaces, enhancing the overall mobility experience. Its sleek and narrow design, measuring 24 by 24 inches, allows for easy navigation through tight spaces, and with 7 color options, users can choose a style that suits their personal taste. Manufactured by Able Life. Comfortably independent, the Wonder Walker combines functionality and style, offering a modern alternative to traditional medical equipment without compromising on support.